Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of modern woodcraft art. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, I'll show you how to create stunning pieces that blend contemporary design with the warmth of wood. Let's get started. Section 1, Materials Needed. First things first, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. Wood pieces. You can use reclaimed wood, plywood, or any wood that suits your style. Wood glue. This will hold your pieces together securely. Sander or sanding block. For smoothing the edges. Saw. A jigsaw or miter saw works great for cutting shapes, paint or wood stain, to add color and finish to your art. Brushes and rags, for applying paint or stain. Protective gear. Always wear safety glasses and a mask when working with wood. Section 2, Designing your art. Next, it's time to design your piece. Think about the shapes and patterns you want to create. For modern wood art, geometric shapes or abstract designs work really well. Sketch your design on paper first to visualize how it will look. Section 3, Cutting the wood. Now, let's cut the wood according to our design. Make sure to measure twice and cut once to avoid any mistakes. If you're using power tools for the first time, take your time and work safely. Section 4, Assembling the pieces. Once your pieces are cut, it's time to assemble them. Apply wood glue to the edges and press them together. You can use clamps to hold them in place while they dry. Make sure everything is aligned properly. Section 5, Sanding and Finishing. After the glue has dried, it's time to sand down any rough edges to give your art a polished look. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper and finish with a fine grit for a smooth surface. Now, let's add some color. You can use paint for a bold look or wood stain for a more natural finish. Apply it evenly with a brush and let it dry completely. Section 6, Displaying your art, and here's the final piece. It's a modern woodcraft art that you can proudly Display in your home. You can hang it on the wall, place it on a shelf, or give it as a gift. Thank you for joining me today on this creative journey. I hope this tutorial inspires you to make your own modern woodcraft art. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY projects, and share your creations in the comments below. Happy crafting, and see you next time.